Good morning, my dear students. Can you hear the joy in my voice? You know, students, it is there because today I'm going to cherish two of my most favorite things, mothers and cakes. Today is Mother's Day. I wonder why there is only one day to celebrate our mothers who give us 365 days year after year. Do you wonder the same? Enough of the talk now. I'm surprising my mom with a delicious and simple to cook mug cake. Will you do the same for your moms too? I'm taking it as a massive yes, and let's get started. Now, students, let's have a look at the ingredients. I have taken one mug here, 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which we also call as maida. I have taken here 15 tablespoons of milk, some almonds, icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar with you, you can take the normal sugar and blend it. You will get powdered sugar, which will be almost same as icing sugar. Next, I have taken salt. We are going to add only pinch of salt. Olive oil. I have taken here 4 tablespoons olive oil. Next, I have taken here baking powder. We are going to add half teaspoon of baking powder. Some sugar beads and choco chips I have taken. If you want, you can add vanilla essence, some Nutella to it, and toothpick we are going to use to check that whether our cake is ready or not. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to add all-purpose flour into the mug. I have already sieved this all-purpose flour. We'll add this flour into the mug. Next, we are going to add cocoa powder. We'll add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next, we'll be adding 5 tablespoons of icing sugar. Now, we'll add 1 pinch of salt to it. Then, we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder. Now, I'm adding half teaspoon of baking powder to it. We are going to mix all the dry ingredients with the help of a fork. Mix them properly. Now we are going to add 4 tablespoons olive oil into it. You can use any other cooking oil as well. Next, we are going to add milk to it. We are adding milk to it. We'll add the milk slowly and keep on whisking the mixture. Stir it nicely so that no lumps are left. Slowly and steadily we'll add all the milk to it. I'm adding more milk to it. Stir it nicely so that no lumps are left. I'm going to add 1 or 2 drops of vanilla essence. If you want, you can add some almonds to it. Look here at the consistency. It should flow like this. Now we are supposed to clean off the edges of the mug. Let's clean off the edges with the help of a tissue paper. Now we'll sprinkle some choco chips over it. And I am going to microwave it for 5 minutes. Now I have kept it in a microwave and I am going to microwave it for around 4 minutes first. Then we'll check the cake by inserting a toothpick into it. Now let's wait for 4 minutes. Now last 6 seconds are left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see how our cake comes out to be. It's quite hot. Now, students, our cake is ready. I have inserted a toothpick into it to see if it's ready or not. The toothpick came out to be clean. So now I'm just going to decorate our cake. I'm going to spread some Nutella over it. I have taken Nutella. And I'm going to spread it over the cake. Let's take some more. Now I'm going to put some choco chips over it. Next, I'm going to add sugar beets. You can top it up with any material that is available at your home. Kids, here is the delicious mug cake. I can't wait to surprise my mom. And students, don't forget to share your mom's reactions too. Take care. Bye-bye.